Welcome back! Now that you've successfully logged into ClassLink and set up your Google account, you're ready to view and submit assignments. The majority of middle and high school students will use Google Classroom to connect with each class in which they are enrolled. To access Google Classroom, all you have to do is select the Google Classroom icon within ClassLink to open a window with a view of each of your students' classes. After logging in, your student can open the Classroom homepage to view tiles for each of their classes. In each classroom, teachers may post new assignments, quizzes, or other class materials under the Classwork tab. Your students can click on a link to view these items and get started. They can check the Google Calendar to see due dates for all upcoming class assignments, or if they prefer, your students can set up email notifications when new assignments are posted. On each Classwork page, your student can check for new assignments. Then, using the Your Work box, they can add or create a new document and submit it to the teacher for review. If your student has questions about a lesson or assignments, they can send a private comment to their teacher through that class page. Curious about your students' progress? Many teachers will set up Guardian's summaries of students' work, including missing or upcoming assignments. For parents and guardians, if you are not receiving updates for one of your students' classes, send an email request to that teacher. Remember, if you have more than one student using Google Classroom, make sure each one logs out of Google Classroom before the next one can log in. For more information, please visit the Comal Parent Center at comalisd.org.